So if somebody gave you an email address and you want to verify if it's correct or not, or maybe you have a VIP Evite mailing list and you want to just double check the accuracy of a couple of the email addresses there. Well, I run into this problem, from time to time, and I just want to share how my approach in terms of verifying the email address without actually sending it out and then having it bounce back. That's probably the last resort as far as verification goes. So here's how to verify. I'll go ahead and show you, and basically, you will need basic understanding of the Windows command prompt or Mac's terminal in order to follow along. So right now I have a software called Putty open connected to my Linux web server. So you can actually do this on Windows or on Mac. If you're using Windows, enable Telnet and use the command prompt. If you're using Mac, use the terminal. Unfortunately, my ISP has port 25 blocked, so that's why I have to do it remotely on my server. But the actual commands are the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first of all type in nslookup. Type equals mx because I'm looking for the mail exchange records, and I'm going to just use my domain name as an example. Fine. Oops, I need to type in the dash. And so basically it indicates to me where all my different mail exchange records are pointing to. So what I can do is I can choose any one of these. It's probably better to choose the one that's the lowest value here because that's the one that's the highest priority. So I copy that, and now what I'm going to do is type in telnet, paste that, and then port 25, and basically right now I'm telnetting to the to Google's servers because I have my email hosted with them. So now what I have to do is type in hello. Note only one L. So that's how you greet the server. You need to greet the recipient server first. And now I'm going to type in mail from, so they know who I am. And for this, I can just make up an address. So I can just put joe@joeblow.com, which might be a real email. And now recipient 2. I'm going to basically verify if yan@yanhuang.me exists as email. It says okay, so that means it exists. Now I'm going to type in an arbitrary email that does not exist. Blah blah, ha at yanhuang.me. So basically Google has said that, hey, this email address does not exist. So this is in a nutshell how you would basically check if your email, if the email address exists or not. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this. But basically, first thing you do is do the nslookup, type mx, and then the domain name of the email. And then you would telnet into the server using port 25, and then once you're in, you would say hello, and then you would type in the mail from, and then you would type in recipient 2, and that's basically the email that you're trying to verify if it exists or not. So hopefully you found that helpful, and if you have a business and you need email marketing management services, feel free to contact my company, greyhatweb.com, and indicate that you found me or us through YouTube. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to the video, like this video, and go to my website, yanhuang.me, and make sure that you follow me on all those different social media outlets, and join my discussion forum, because that's where all the excitement happens.